Okay, welcome to my channel. I thought I was recording, I wasn't. I received this painting. I'm into parrots, big time. And I got this from alipress. I ordered it on February 16th, and I got this like yesterday. And here is an image. It is 30 by 40. It's of African gray, Congo. I'm a parrot lady. People know me. I'm into birds. You want to know about birds? You got parrots? You got a question? Honey, I'm the person to ask. I know everything. And let me explain. On the African gray, there's like 2 subspecies. And the Congo is larger, lighter gray with the red tail. Its counterpart is smaller, gray with a maroon tail. They are the best talkers, parrots there is. Better than macaws, better than the Amazon. I mean, people, piece of advice, don't get, the Amazon parrot, they're kind of known as the pet bull of the bird world. Your cockatoos are very needy birds. They take special handling because they love attention, and if they don't get it, you can end up with a screaming bird. You have to make them have downtime. They say the painting's 30 by 40. And let's see. The picture's right here. And it's almost 31, actually. By 41 centimeters. So it's slightly larger than what they said. And the glue is really, really well. It's all on one piece, and I don't want to yank it up again. Oh, real fine. And the thing was, when this came, it actually came, everything was separate. It was rolled up on this. Sorry, I thought I was recording and it wasn't. By itself, the painting by itself, with the rubber band. It came with tweezers with a 3-placer, baggies, inside another baggie, big chunk of wax. Does anybody know a better substance to use than these wax? And a pair of tweezers. Now what we're going to look at are the drills. Now this is a square. I thought it was round, but it's a square. It has how many colors? 30 colors. So, okay, 2 of these, 8, 10, 8, 10, 8, 10, 8, 10, 8, 10, 8, 10. Well, that's weird. 8, 10 is not even listed on here. If I got the right number. Oh, 8, 16. Yeah, I'm sorry, 8, 16, 2 bags. You got some greens, of course, because some darker greens. Oh. I'm just going to kind of show you the colors. It tells you how many bags it should be here. They apparently went through it themselves. So, I hope this is not the color of the tail, because let me tell you something. They don't have this color of a tail. They got a red tail. And these are squares. So I can't substitute. Do these people even know the difference between a Congo and a Timoth? That would be perfect if it was a Timoth. Of course, black. The ones that everybody's afraid of. I'm not. Yeah, it's the grays. Light gray. Dark gray. Dark gray. Got a lot of greens here. The thing I think I could be really upset about is the tail. I mean, seriously. Does this look red to you? It does not look red to me. This color might go on Timoth, but this is a Congo. So I'm not happy with that. But I have a smaller painting of a Congo, and I think it's got reds and it's square, so maybe I could substitute it. These companies need to educate them on parrots. Okay, that being done, what I'm going to show you, and I'll probably do it separately, but I'm just going to show you. I went to Mitchell's looking for regular cross stitch. They don't have it. Sales lady tells me they don't have it anywhere in Chula Vista, and I'm not going to go search it for it. And here it is. Just a simple thing, and it came with the colors. The canvas came with this. I'll probably get started on this tonight, because you start in the middle and you work your way out, and this is very important because this is it. This tells you the directions, what color goes where. See if I get you it closer. See sweet, and then I'm not used to this camera yet. Okay, folks, my battery's running out, so I'm gonna have to go. Happy diamond painting, and I will see you next time. And remember, I got a giveaway coming up. What is it, a week? It's going to be done on the 1st. So, I'll see you then. Turn you off.